next point which comes into the picture, the next part which comes into the picture, that is the part 9, and that is going to be the IoT data security. Now I am going to talk about in very detail, very focused only on the security features which are required to be taken care when we are talking about the Internet of Things. So the importance of securing the data in IoT, protection of the sensitive information, because the data is often collected and transmitted, and that is sensitive also, including personal, financial, or health related information, because the applications which you are using, they are also having the cloud storage, they are also having the IoT features, real-time tracking. Maybe your personal data is definitely synced in you, like most of the time in your health application or whatever, your mobile number, your email ID, everything is synchronized with your Gmail, everything is synchronized, and they ask you to log in with your Gmail there, your address is there. So securing this data is crucial to protect individuals' privacy and prevent identity theft or other malicious activities. Then the importance of security also requires the ensuring device integrity. So securing IoT data helps to ensure that devices and systems operate and simply as intended, preventing unauthorized access or manipulation that could lead to malfunctioning, data correction, or the system failure. Now, the next could be like maintaining user trust. So users rely on IoT systems for various daily activities these days, and like effective security measures build and maintain trust by ensuring that their data is handled securely and responsibly without the risk. So that maintenance is necessary, that security measures are necessary to be taken care. Otherwise, if the data is not secured, one time loss will be like simply making the customer away from us for every single instance. So the user trust is very necessary to be maintained. Then simply the compliance with regulations. So the many industries are subject of data protection regulations like GDPR, HIPAA. So these are having some regulations to be taken care. And when we talk about the GDPR, that is simply, you can write down General Data Protection Regulation. The full form of GDPR is General Data Protection Regulation. And simply one of the purpose of the General Data Protection Regulation, that is the GDPR, is to protect individual fundamental rights and freedom, particularly their right to protect their personal data. So the right to one's private life is laid down in the documentations of ECHR. ECHR is what? European Convention of Human Rights. But there are 7 principles also of the GDPR, which I must have discussed previously also with you. That is the lawfulness, fairness, transparency, purpose limitation, data minimization, accuracy, storage limitation. So these are some, you can say, 7 principles: integrity and confidentiality, accountability. These are the 7 principles of GDPR. Okay. Then HIPAA, what is that? So when we talk about the HIPAA, that is Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. That is the HIPAA, that is the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. And it is actually started in the United States legislation that provide data privacy and security provisions. Now, when you are using the applications, they are not already all the time made in India. Okay, the applications which you are using, they are not always made in India. No, applications are the one like WhatsApp. It's not made in India. Instagram and Meta are not made in India. No, and many more applications. The health applications also most we are using. They are not Indian. So the regulation acts which we are talking about, GDPR or HIPAA, maybe they are from the foreign regulation or legislations, but yes, it is necessary. It's not like, okay, so it is applied in the US. That means it's not applied in India. It is applied in India because you are using the applications which are actually created in the foreign countries for us. So ensuring the IoT data security helps the organizations to comply with these legal requirements, avoiding penalties and maintaining their reputation.